day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free Telegram channel group, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screens. It's a group where I basically keep you up to date hour by hour with the latest market development. So it's a no-brainer, completely free of charge to join. Just go ahead and scan that QR code. But let's start with the Nasdaq100, a nice little extension to the gains that we saw late on last week. Currently trading up around 12,800, so 200 points shy of 13,000. And I think this chart is all about tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have the CPI reading, which is going to give us an insight as to whether inflation is declining, as many analysts out on Wall Street have come out and claimed. And I'm in the camp that yes, I believe that inflation has fallen significantly, and I think that it will continue to fall. I want to see a reading sub 8. I want to see it, below 8% tomorrow. I think that could potentially be the catalyst that sends the market rallying, going into the latter end of tomorrow's trading session, and of course the latter stages of this week. I think that it could be a catalyst that sends the Nasdaq100 up towards the 200-day EMA, which currently sits all the way up at around 13,288. So we could still see another 500 points to this rally that we've seen over the past couple of trading sessions. We're above the 50-day moving average and the 50-day EMA, which is very bullish. I think the next obstacle is pretty much around 13,100, but again, I think the 200-day EMA is the target here. I'm going to go ahead and put like a nice little green box up here. That's where I fully anticipate the Nasdaq100 to target in the upcoming trading sessions. And also, just a little shout out. The last couple of weeks, I've come out onto YouTube and said that I have been accumulating my positions here in the Nasdaq100, dollar cost averaging. So, every 100 points I've been adding to the Nasdaq100, kind of like this. And, I've come out and I've said that the lower that this thing goes, the better, because it creates more value. And I still stick by that. And as you can see now, my positions that I accumulated at the lowest point are now trading in profit. And, by the end of this week, I fully anticipate the majority of my buy positions that I've been adding over the past 2 to 3 weeks, whilst we have seen this nice dip in the Nasdaq100, will be trading in profit. And ultimately, I do fully anticipate that we take out the swing highs that we achieved on the 16th of August, going into the month of October and November. And, at the earlier stages of next year, I really do anticipate that we'll be trading up at around 15,000. So very bullish here in the Nasdaq100. I'm very happy with my trades that I've currently got open at this moment in time. Most of you who are trying to sell the market here, expecting it to go down here, it was the wrong trade. It really was. It was the wrong trade. Why are you going to be risking your money just to gain a further 8% towards the downside? That's even if you got that trade correct, perfectly correct, sorry, I should say, where you could be adding to your buy positions with a longer term bias, with a potential 35% upside, upside potential going forward. So that's what I've been doing. Very happy with my trades at this moment in time. I do expect us to go towards that 200-day EMA after tomorrow's CPI reading. I am expecting inflation to come in a lot lower than expected, and I think it could cause a potential 2 to 3% rally in the markets going into tomorrow's trading session. So keep your eyes out for that.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.